In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up default gallery type settings. Now what that'll allow you to do is it'll allow you to set up different defaults for different gallery types. For example, if you have a wedding gallery type, you may want it to display for 270 days. While if you have a bridal gallery type, you may only want that one to display for 90 days. And there are a whole bunch of other settings that you can set up for your different gallery types as well. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll click into Photos, Gallery Types. Now on this page you can see that there are a few different gallery types that I've already set up. And if we wanted to modify the settings for the specific gallery type, we would click on the gallery type name. Here we can see a list of all the different settings that are available to be set by default for each of our gallery types. Starting at the top, we can give the gallery type a name, select the thumbnail layout, add default categories to the galleries, and a whole bunch of other things. Down here we have slideshow music, and this is music that's going to be played when your clients are viewing their gallery in the slideshow mode. You can either select one of the predefined music options that we have available here, or you can add your own slideshow music through the slideshow music page within the marketing tab. Once you've added your own slideshow music, that option will be available in this list and you can select it from here as well. Go ahead and save your changes, and that'll save all the defaults for this particular gallery type. Now each time you create a new gallery of that type, all the defaults that you selected in these settings will automatically be applied to that specific gallery. You can also modify all these settings for your galleries individually by going into the Galleries page, clicking on the name of your gallery, and then you can view all the different settings that were available in the defaults page here as well for each specific gallery. If you have any questions about any of this, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.